Mix this powder into water and use it to water your cucumber plants. You'll end up with enormous yields that won't even fit in your buckets. This easy-on-the-wallet recipe serves as a fertilizer that'll motivate those cucumbers to churn out more fruits. Plus, it provides a protective shield against pests and gives your plant a strength boost. Sugar has an amazing role in the garden. When it comes to the process of photosynthesis, where plants draw their energy, sugar takes the spotlight. This photosynthesis reaction involves connecting carbon dioxide with carbohydrates, and sugar is a basic carbohydrate. Thanks to this process, plants can create more energy for themselves. Applying the resulting fertilizer when you water your plants will lead to bigger harvests. With their shallow root system, cucumbers require regular, though not excessive, watering. It's a good idea to sprinkle in a bit of sugar every now and then, as it provides essential nutrients to the plant. This assists in the production of more flower buds, which in turn mature into the delightful fruits we enjoy. Preparing this mixture is a piece of cake. Just measure out 300 grams of white sugar and toss it into a 10-liter watering can filled with water. Mix thoroughly, and then use it to water your cucumber plants. How often should you water cucumbers with this sugar-infused water? Go for once every 2 to 3 weeks. This form of sugar can even work as a natural defense against pests like aphids and spider mites. Also, using a sugar solution to spray your plants can promote the growth of microorganisms that safeguard your plants from diseases. Keep in mind that sugar might attract ants to your crop, so keep a close eye on your plants when using this method. Watering your cucumbers with sugary water should be done cautiously to prevent overburdening the plants. Adjust the amount of sugar according to the cucumber's needs and observe their response. It's important to note that cucumbers are sensitive to excessive sugar, which can have an impact on their growth and health. That's why it's suggested to water your cucumbers with sugary water in moderation and tweak the frequency of watering based on the growth conditions. This straightforward fertilizer technique has been employed by gardeners for years. It's simple, budget-friendly, and effective. The resulting yields will astonish you with their size and quantity.